You! I do love the smell of fear. It's intoxicating.
It is?
Sorry to crash the party with your past lives, or your past deaths,
As I like to call it. I was there to witness all of them. Each frivolous. But you didn't even notice me. Because Puss in Boots laughs in the face of death, right? But you're not laughing now.
You are no bounty hunter. You are...
Death. And I don't mean it metaphorically, or rhetorically, or poetically, or theoretically, or in any other fancy way. I'm death. Straight up. And I've come for you, Puss in Boots.
But I'm still alive.
You know, I'm not a cat person. I find the very idea of 9 lives absurd. And you didn't value any of them. So, why don't I do us both a favor and take this last one now?
That's kidding!
Shh, don't tell.
Run, Pussy Boots! Make the way!
Go ahead, run! Furry makes it more fun for me.